If you've been browsing online for luxury timepieces, you might have stumbled across a brand new website called nicolopianna.com, which claims to offer Italian-designed, automatic wristwatches that don't require batteries, just the natural movement of your wrist. On the surface, that sounds elegant and sophisticated, but whenever a site makes bold claims, it's worth looking deeper before spending thousands of dollars. Nicolo Pianna presents itself as a high-end brand, but here's where things get interesting. The site is very new, registered only in August 2025, and when a luxury watch retailer appears out of nowhere without any history, that's usually something to be cautious about. Another red flag is the lack of social media presence. No Instagram, no Facebook, no TikTok, which is unusual for any modern luxury brand trying to build credibility and reach new customers. When you dig further, there's no mention of who actually founded this company or any background information about the people behind it, which makes the brand feel less transparent. The prices are also surprisingly high, ranging from around $1,300 to $1,800 per watch, which places them in the same price bracket as established names like Tissot, Longines, or even entry-level Swiss luxury watches. Yet Nicolo Pianna has no reputation, no reviews, and no track record to justify those costs. Another concerning detail is that many of the product photos appear to be copied or stock-style images rather than original photography, which raises questions about authenticity. And perhaps the most telling factor is the absence of any customer reviews. Not on their site, not on third-party platforms, not anywhere online. For a brand selling expensive luxury pieces, this silence is hard to ignore. So while Nicolò Pianna watches might look appealing on the surface, the lack of trust signals makes it difficult to recommend jumping in without serious caution.